Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 结 or 接 step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following 2 words and 1 sentence. Now, let's write. 结 or 接 结 bond to tie or to check out. As 接 means to produce. Solid. 结论 结论 conclusion 结论 conclusion 结实 sturdy, strong, this is a very solid chair. This is a very solid chair. This is a very solid chair. 这把椅子很结实。这把椅子很结实。这把椅子把椅子 chair 很结实。This is a very solid chair. 这把椅子很结实。接 in cursive. 结 bond to tie to check out of a hotel. 接 to produce solid. 结论 conclusion. 结实 sturdy, strong. This is a very solid chair. 这把椅子很结实。Please comment any sentence with the character 结 or 接. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.